Alright, we have here 2017 CRB. The right rear door lock not working. We found the problem after following the wire diagram right here. The blue and yellow wire for the right rear door lock actuator. We got signal up to here, but in this connector going that way, no signal. It's the blue and yellow wire for the right rear door lock. This one right here, no signal. So we found the problem. After we take the door wire harness out, the yellow wire was broke right there. I guess too many open and closing door. I don't know. Maybe. Or maybe a defect from factory, or we're going to put it together to see it work. If we got to order maybe buy a new door harness. Let's see. We're going to add a piece of yellow wire to it, so the wire don't be short. And then we're going to solder it and test it to see it work. Right here we put like a piece of stroke or something, like a little tool. And made the wire go all the way through the other side without breaking the rubber. You gotta protect the wire, So basically run it through the little strut to the other side. That's it, we got the wire there, we put it together and let's see how it works. So that you just pull the straw out. And the wire there already. Alright, that's it, job done. Perfect. Do new factory. Get back together. Alright, we got the problem fixed. 2017 CRB. The right rear door lock not working. Now it's working. You had that problem? No, it can be that, it can be something else, bro, I had that problem before, but it was the window not coming down, So, thank you for watching, and that's it. I'll upload more video on the tech.